When I was in China in June 2025, I found that taking the metro, subway, was an easy and convenient way to travel, especially since there was no traffic congestion. It's also simple to buy tickets using self-service machines, which are available at all metro and subway stations. In this video, I demonstrate how to buy subway tickets in Beijing. The process is very similar in other cities like Shanghai, Xi'an, and more. First, check the subway map to find your destination and identify which line it's on. At the self-service ticket machine, start by selecting the subway line that includes your destination. Then, choose the specific station, select the number of tickets you want to buy, and finally, choose your preferred payment method. For example, cash, QR code, or bank card. Using QR codes is very common in China, especially for local residents. But in this video, I first show how to pay with cash. After selecting cash as the payment method, insert the money into the slot on the right side of the machine. Sometimes the machine might not accept the money right away. If that happens, just try again. Please note that some machines only accept certain denominations, such as 5 yuan or 10 yuan bills. Once the payment is successful, the machine will print your ticket. If you insert more money than needed, the machine will give you change along with the ticket. If you choose scan code as the payment method, you can use apps like WeChat or Alipay on your phone. Simply scan the QR code displayed on the machine and complete the payment on your mobile app. It's very easy. Enjoy your subway journey in China.